Jay, do you want to play Driver Head?
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Happy Apocalypse here. Assuming you've watched the video that Jay purposely canceled, stopped. We are playing Splatter for one last time. It's going to be a short round, hopefully. I am on red team because red team is the best team, unlike cyan.
Red team sucks.
Jay, if you were in here, I would punch you off with my diamond sword.
You do not know how to punch, because that would be called stabbing, buddy.
It's called left click.
You don't even know how to play Minecraft until I taught you.
You know,
That was horrible grammar.
there's a bunch of tutorials online. So,
Yeah, fair enough. And I didn't need a single one, buddy.
And buddy, I don't really listen to you most of the time.
Moist.
Balls.
What?
That's my Pokemon's name. I'll copyright you.
It is his rain form cast form.
Because it's moist balls, moist balls. Gotta get up on moist balls. Got some moist balls.
Anyone who wants to kill
Moist balls.
Sharpshot, we do not blame you.
Moist balls. Moist balls. Moist balls.
What are we doing in our lives?
Listening to Sharpshot right now.
Gotta get up on moist balls.
No, I was so good at pillar parkour. I need to start playing more often.
You're not good at anything.
You're not good at anything.
Are you guys good at pillar parkour?
Yes.
We are.
I got to the cake every single time.
No, pillar parkour, not aerial parkour.
Pillar, like ladder parkour.
No. Pillar as in the pillars around the parkour arena.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Oh, that stuff. Yeah, I'm good at that.
Oh, we played this like 2 seconds ago. No.
Bob is Duder.
Bob is
Bob
neutered.
is-
Bob was neutered.
Bob is
Bob
neutered.
is Duder.
Wait, did you say Bob was neutered?
Bob was neutered. This is the best song ever.
Oh my goodness.
No copyright.
Always copyright.
How many references do you think Happy has on this?
Oh, way too many.
I think definitely enough to get us sued.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Just strange up assumption. Yeah.
Oh crap, what? Ah, Cyan is invading! Cyan is evading!
Evading? Cyan is evading. That's a good thing.
Cyanide is evading.
I meant invading.
And who do you think can hear you that is playing that can help you?
Definitely not you. Die! There's a guy named Roofless. I think he misspelled.
I think he doesn't have a roof.
I don't think he spelled his name right. It's 20 to 80. Wow.
And you guys are losing.
No, we're winning.
Realistic.
That was close. Whatever you guys are saying, good for you. You can actually talk.
What?
We've been able to talk?
We've been able to talk. We just don't like talking to you.
Yeah, because you're ugly.
What? No.
Well, that is true.
Hey, stop insulting him.
Oh, wait, what? I wasn't
He
even
might be a
killed. This
little
game
bit
is
special
broken.
needs.
Literally.
You might have a couple special.
I'm just kidding. Happy is the most unspecial needs person.
Happy is the most unspecial person ever.
Jeez. Happy, are any of these hurting your feelings?
What feelings? I should have said that.
That's
Yeah, I think,
Happy's gonna pull a full Happy on you.
Jay, I did not want to do this.
But give me a hug.
Jay,
Oh God, no, please.
give me a hug, now.
Oh, I've heard in the future. Cool.
But I'm not
No, I'm actually, viewers, those of you who are not subscribed to Jay Ironbot's channel, you're lucky.
What? No.
No,
Dude,
you don't.
I literally unsubscribed from your channel
So did I.
to have him get more.
Oh, I'm level 2! Yay! I am awesome! Hear me roar!
Dude, I got level 2 in the last game on the previous video.
Oh, cool. Why didn't you tell me?
Because
I
he
didn't want to.
you being annoying.
Well, I
I didn't
actually...
want you being like, oh, I'm not
Dude, that's what you sound like.
Wasn't even me.
Whee! I think Splatter's the only game you cannot lose at.
That's what she said.
Well, actually, you can technically lose at it, but you don't. But you still get coins and XP, even if you lose. So let's do this. Oh, ow.
Also, it's time for XP, so it's a good idea.
Yeah. I am punching air. I am punching air.
Wow.
I am
Story
punching
of
air.
Happy's life.
Story of Happy's life. Oh, so that's how you do it.
Wonder what these guys are doing. Let's do it. With,
Ooh.
I'm going to do dancing.
Moisture.
Dance, dance,
No
dance.
one like dancing.
Dance, dance.
I just made a lot of enemies.
Enemies. I have enemies.
I'm going to do my awesome savage dances.
There's no such thing as Happy being awesome.
Oh, wait, let's go into third person.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
What?
It's nothing.
Put your hands in the air like you just
No,
don't
no
care.
one likes that song.
Now fart, 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 fart,
You are
fart,
dead.
fart,
You are a
fart,
thought.
fart. I'm a dead meme. What?
You
No.
are a thought. Did you just shift and you just get sticky keys?
Yes.
Nice.
I don't know what that does, but
I
okay.
don't even know either.
Punching random things in the head.
I don't even know why. Why is this area so abandoned?
Because it's a failure.
Kinda like
You're a failure.
Happy. A big failure.
Wait, what? We're already at 19 they already have 77 yet. I'm calling broken game. Broken game.
You
You're
are a
broken.
game. Your family almost returned you.
What? Jeez. Dude, that is wrong on so many different levels. The fact that you're implying that he was adopted, that's messed up, Jay. That is wrong on
Were
so many
any one
levels.
of you adopted?
Actually, no.
We wish we were.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
That
Not
really...
that there's anything wrong with being adopted, just everything.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to publish this.
Copyright.
I don't think you're just gonna. I think you guys should just
Give up on the whole YouTube.
Okay.
thing, I think it means.
Oh yeah.
I'm just... Is there a way to... Wait, it's 2 against 4. How is this fair?
Huh?
Ow. Ow. I'm not on the enemy's turf.
Yep, but your butt is so big that it reaches over to it.
I was on clay.
I've gotten on the enemy's turf with my anus.
Hey.
Yeah, I wonder if that's going to get us copyrighted. Of course it is.
How
What?
is that gonna
Yeah,
get
how is
copyrighted?
your big butt getting us?
Oh, I splattered someone without even knowing it.
Probably get us flagged, but
Yeah, I know. Or
the
demonetized.
thing will get it. The thing will block it. Ooh.
Ooh.
Exactly.
All I do is win, no matter what.
That is copyrighted.
What?
Song's copyrighted.
Talking about? It's also a racist song.
It is.
It says the N word.
Oh. Which one?
Nope.
There's 2 N words?
No, it's nope and the other one.
Oh. The worst one.
Oh.
It's not even nope.
No. No.
No, it isn't. It isn't nope. Nope.
Okay.
You are completely wrong, Happy. It is not.
Yeah, I think I'm just... Yeah, we lost.
Guys, by the time this Happy uploads this, the Brick Bronze series is coming back.
Seriously?
Yes, it is.
Yeah!
But I need to train my Pokemon first. Oh God.
Oh, Jay, I have a great idea. For the first episode, you battle me. I haven't played in
That would make me leave again.
I haven't played in 3 months.
Oh, what if I started my own perfect run series, and then I fought you, Jay.
Yeah, but I'm 4 gyms ahead of you.
I know. I could do a lot of speedy uploading and making.
Mm-hmm.
So is that a yes?
Oh,
Maybe.
get right, tiny ice cream
Because that way
crates.
we could vary it up. Like we could put variety into it, and not just
Yes,
always
static. Let's get it.
Wait, did you say Ash Ketchum?
Ash Ketchup.
Guys, it was 2 against 4, and here was the thing. Bad guys, 90%.
Did you just call
good.
them bad guys?
No, it says bad guys, good guys. Those are the teams. And
then
good
the
guys,
bad-
10%. Here's the
The
thing.
bad guys are
They
you.
started out with 80%, and we started out with 20. I'm not lying.
Ooh.
So yeah, I'm calling shenanigans.
You're
Shenanigans.
shenanigans.
Oh.
This
Shenanigans.
is not working.
Shenanigans. Hey Jay, have you heard the song Can Can?
Yes.
But
Can you do that? Can you do that? Can, na 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 na.
Jay, come over here and do the come over here and do the Can Can song.
No.
Because I'm going to do dance move. Well, can you at least sing it again?
Can you do the 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 can? No, you cannot. No, you cannot.
I'm going. There's a guy.
Pidgeot is triggering me. Happy is quiet.
Yeah, because I'm typing.
Yeah, you can speak the words you type.
Okay. Check out my channel. It's Happy Apocalypse. I think everyone knows this because they're watching.
Will Feral the Azumarill go level 40? Pikachu level 35. Swoobat coming on in. Is that a poison type?
Swoobat?
Yeah.
It's psychic. Psychic and flying.
Okay. So Play Rough will do damage if it would actually hit.
Wait, psychic is not very isn't effective on psychic, I think. Whee! Right against magenta. Oh, I hate
it
this
did
one.
normal damage.
Eh.
You were a liar.
Why?
you are a liar, Happy.
But we already figured that part out.
Jay's word is law.
No, it isn't.
We're in his room for.
We're in my room, for God's sake.
We're in his
Yeah,
room.
we're in his room for crying out loud.
For actually, isn't
I
it
have
his?
multiple weapons of mass destruction hidden in here.
Really?
No.
I was gonna
Maybe
say
a
unlike.
knife or two, but nothing.
I was
more.
gonna say unlikely.
Maybe a knife or two.
Whoa.
Glitches are
Glitches and switches.
are witches that need stitches because they have beaches. Female dogs. What did you think I meant?
I thought you meant something much dirtier.
Oh no. Oh, that's actually a fact. Beaches are female dogs.
No, but like the real word.
Yeah, beaches. That is the truth. Happy, are you done yet?
I am splatting people like a boss.
Ah!
Get splatted!
Oh,
Happy, I think your mommy's here to collect you.
What the heck? That is.
Yep, they're here. Well, guys, that's all the time we have for this video here.
It's the landlord.
The landlord. We need to escape. So, if you catch us on the run, good job. You get a free buck. See ya. Bye.
Bye.